Alrighty, so I wanted to do a video on this. This is one of the biggest motors I've ever seen that's come out of a bloody printer. Like, this thing is huge. Like, here is a pen in comparison. This thing is quite massive. Yeah, I ripped it out of a Canon printer because the thing had died, so I scrapped it. And all I can say is this thing has been put on 5, 12 and even 36 volts DC, and it's still not screaming its bollocks off at 36 volts. So this must tell me that it's a quite high voltage electric motor. The thing is got a shitload of torque for the size of it, and yeah, it's madness. It's hooked up to a 12 volt power supply at the minute with a 1 amp continuous rating power supply, and yeah, this thing, even at 12 volts, is not running that fast, so it's got to be quite high voltage. Maybe 48 volts when we're talking, but I don't have a 48 volt power supply. Connections for this thing were decent. PCB there is basically just buzz bar. Instead of just having the wire soldered directly to the terminals, they've used a PCB to basically just power the thing. It's a lot better. And you can see there's brass terminals there. So yeah, the thing is quite big. It's got a pressed metal pulley, and I can't get that thing off there. So yeah, I want to see how many volts this thing can take until it pops. But unfortunately I can't do that yet until I get a Variac. And they cost an arm and a leg. They're about 200 quid for, I think it's about 10 amp one. But this thing won't pull more than 10 amps, hopefully. But yeah, thought I'd just do a quick video really. So just let it run for a bit, just to show you. Thing's got some torque. So yes, got a little bird motor. Not sure what I'm going to use it for. I'll probably just scrap it in the end. I'm going to have some fun before I do. This is the power supply. The 12 volt, oh my bad, 1.5 amps continuous rating. So yeah, this thing is crazy on torque. Like, it's nearly dead and I'm putting all my finger strength on it. That's dead now. Yeah, a little bit of smoke, but that's fine. A little bit, see if you can see anything. Nope. So yeah, quite an interesting little motor. Oh. Yeah, thing's not a little bad motor. Not sure what I'm going to use it for. So it needs to run on high voltage to go faster. But where? So this is a smaller version, made by the same manufacturer, same deal. PCB for connections on the motor, and this thing has also been put on 36 volts, and it ain't even screaming its nuts off. So yeah, had some fun with these little motors. Did have 3 of these. One of them's gone missing, don't know where I put it. The other one has been put back into service for good, so this thing can run properly now. There's a pitch down a little bit, it's toned down a bit, but that's because the motor's not fast enough to make it scream louder, but oh well. So yes, probably take that apart soon, destroy it and take it apart, see what we can get. Yeah, so I just wanted to do a quick little vid. Anyway, manufacturer on the motor by the way. So thanks for watching.